Alright, it's Jersey Jaguar, and today I'm going to be reviewing the 2023-2024 Inter Miami CF Lionel Messi Noche kit. It is their away kit that is black, very similar to last year, minus one special thing. What is that one special thing? I'm about to get into it right now. Let's get to it. Alright, so one thing before we get started, if you mind dropping me a like and subscribe, it greatly helps my channel out. I've been growing really fast. Thanks to all you guys. I appreciate the support. So with that said, let's get into that 2023-2024 La Noche away kit. Now guys, it is obviously going to be a black kit, and it is almost exactly the same as last year's design minus one thing. And that one thing is going to be a brand new sponsor. They're going with Royal Caribbean as their sponsor. And the logo looks absolutely awesome, and it is a huge upgrade in my opinion, at least aesthetically and how it looks. Now, just like that home version, that sponsor logo is going to be on the center of the jersey. However, unlike that home version, which is known as the Togetherness kit, we are still going to have the Adidas logo and the team logo on the chest. Only that Royal Caribbean logo is going to be in the center. On the home kit, it is all aligned going down the middle. All right, guys, so we're going to have that black kit. Everything else is going to be pink. We're going to have a little pink stripe on the sleeves, as well as the 3 stripes on the shoulders, and also going around the neck. On the front of the jersey, we are going to have a design woven and embedded into the jersey, not just sublimated, not just painted in. It is actually going to be within the material. Turning the jersey around, we are going to have a word mark on the back of the neck. And then guys, we are also going to have that awesome MLS name and number type font. Now, if you want to grab one of these currently for the replica version, aka the fan version, it is going to be $135. If you want the authentic version, aka the player version, it's going to run you $180. And that player authentic version with the patches is going to run $195. Also, too, keep in mind, guys, just like last season, these do run slim and they are tighter fitting than previous Adidas Authentics. Just keep that in mind when you're buying. All right, so what do I think about this jersey? It is a huge upgrade over last season. However, even though it's just the sponsor that's getting changed, that sponsor logo does make a great difference. In my last review, I gave last year's version a 8.5. This one, I'm going to give it an 8.75. Guys, I think with even a little bit more touch, it could be a 9.5 jersey. It is an awesome jersey. Again, the only thing I still don't like are those stripes on the back. I love striping and I love a unique look on jerseys. However, those pink stripes just look a little bit off. But besides that, this is an awesome jersey. So again, while last year's kit and this year's kit are extremely close, that sponsor logo does help it out and bring it up to an 8.75. All right, there we go. Thank you for watching the video, guys. Also, check out the Home Togetherness pink kit. The video was already out. Now, if you want to see me do another video in the future, don't hesitate to ask. I will do my best to get it done. Let me know in the comments if you're going to be getting this jersey and if you're going to be getting the fan version or if you're going to be getting the player authentic version. I'll see you at the next one.